Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to withdraw cash on Temu. You can cash out within moment. However, you need to have minimum of 10 bucks in your account. Otherwise, you won't be able to cash out any thing. First, switch on your Temu app, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna see your profile icon. Click on the right corner of the page, which is we did, and then click the cash out option. You will see it on your profile. All right, and then enter the amount you wish to withdraw, and then choose your payment method, and lastly tap on the cash out option, and it will be confirmed after you have probably followed the instruction. All right, and you will have it within days. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.